Prayer. Congregational prayer is a prayer performed together by a group of people, with one person being the imam and the others being the makmum. Congregational prayers are usually held in the halal place or purified and clean. The virtues of congregational prayers is 1. In Hadith, it is said that Rasulullah SAW said that praying in congregation has a reward that is 27 times greater than praying alone. 2. Increasing Islamic brotherhood. Congregational prayers strengthens relation between Muslims due to the frequent meeting and interaction. 3. Following the suggestion of the Prophet, a prayer that the best prayer to perform is congregational prayer according to the Sunnah. Congregational prayer can be formed for the 5 daily prayer, Friday prayer, or certain Sunnah prayer, such as Tarawih and Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha. In Islam, prayer that can be performed in congregation are different based on their types, namely obligatory prayers and sunnah prayers. Here's the explanation. 1. Obligatory prayers or Fardhu Ain, which are recommended in congregation. These prayers are prayers that must be performed by every Muslim and and are highly recommended to be performed in congregation, like 5 time prayers, Subuh, Zuhur, Asar, Maghrib, and Isha, and also Jumat prayer. And there's now we're going to Sunnah prayer. Sunnah prayer are recommended in congregation. There are several Sunnah prayers that are recommended to be carried out in congregation. Also, they can also be done alone. That is Tarawih prayers held on the next of the month of Ramadan, generally held in congregation at the mosque, and wither prayers in the month of Ramadan, same with Tarawih, then Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha prayers. It is sunnah to congregate in open place or mosque. Istiqo prayer. Istiqo prayer is a prayer that asking for rain. It is carried out in congregation to ask Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and there's khutbah in there. Eclipse prayers. Eclipse prayer is like a sun that blocked by the moon, or the moon blocked by the sun. The eclipse prayer performed when there is a lunar or solar eclipse, usually in congregation. Tahiyatul Mosque prayer or congregational tahajjud. It can be done in congregation in certain contexts, for example during recitation events. Prayers that are not unusually performed in congregation. Absolute Sunnah prayer. And there's a rawatib prayer, sunnah prayer that accompanies the obligatory prayer. Then duha, tahajjud, and chastain. And for the law of tahiyatul masjid prayer, tahajjud prayer, rawatib prayer, duha prayer, it is not recommended for obligation, but if it's just for education, it can be allowed. And the position of the man when the imam, when the people that doing salat is just two people, like one imam and one makmum, the the boys that two boys, so imam is in the front and the makmum is right beside, and uh, must be toward a little toward. And for if a woman, the makmum and just two people pick salat, if the woman must be in the back of the imam. And if something that many, like one imam and the other is just boys, so it's in the back, and it must be in the back or in the right, in the back of the imam. But if there's a boys and girl in one prayer and the imam, so the boys in the right and the girls in the left. And if the girls become imam, the makmum cannot, if the makmum boys cannot, the boys cannot be the makmum, because the imam is a woman, and imam woman just can be imam for the girls makmum. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.